Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be talking about 3 features to take advantage in a virtual data room. Virtual data rooms are secure online repositories for storing and sharing confidential documents. VDRs offer a number of features that can help businesses to streamline their workflow, improve collaboration, and reduce the risk of data breaches. Here are 3 features that you should take advantages of in a VDR. Secure document sharing. VDRs use a variety of security features to protect confidential documents from unauthorized access. This includes encryption, access controls, and audit trails. Encryption. VDRs encrypt all of the data at rest and in transit. This means that even if an unauthorized user were to gain access to the VDR, they would not be able to read the data. Access controls. VDRs allow administrators to set granular access controls. For each user, this means that administrators can control which documents users can access and what actions they can perform. Audit trails. VDRs give audit trails to all of user activity. This means that administrators can track who has access, which documents, and when. Collaboration features. VDRs offer a variety of collaboration features that can help businesses to improve communication and collaboration between users. These features include Q&A, annotation, and version control. Q&A. The Q&A feature allows users to ask and answer questions about documents. This can be a helpful way to clarify information and to get feedback from other users. Annotation. The annotation features allows users to add comments and annotations to documents. This can be a helpful way to share feedback and discuss specific sections of documents. Version control. Version control allows users to track changes to documents over time. This can be helpful for ensuring that everyone is working on the latest version of the document. Reporting features. VDRs offer reporting features that can help businesses to track user activity and generate reports on document views and downloads. This information can be used to improve the efficiency of the due diligence process and make better decisions. User activity reports. User activity reports track who has access to which documents and when. This information can be used to identify trends and to identify any suspicious activity. Document review reports. Document review reports track how many times a document has been viewed. This information can be used to identify which documents are the most important to users. Document download reports. Document download reports track which documents have been downloaded and by whom. This information can be used to identify which documents are most sensitive. That's all for today. Hope you find us on the topic. Thank you so much everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.